There's the Arduino. First controller, got 2 red lights. I can only imagine that is. And now I know for sure. That'd be X, by the way. The next one is the first Y. I don't have anything in that port. That one appears to be working. Third one. Controller does not show any sign of life. The lights are out. And then there's Z. Oops. Z is bottomed out. There we go. The Z works fine. The Z appears to be working. So I've got these pigtailed. Sorry, let me get this out. Get out of there. I put those into the second stepper driver. There, got those into the second stepper driver. I've got motion, good motion. I say good motion. I tried to run a project just now. I took a video of it. It got 3/4 of the way through the project and it started losing steps, and that was bad. It cut right through my project. So y'all told me to boost the amps to that one driver so it could pull both servos, I guess. I'm going to try that next, but that third stepper controller appears to be dead.